Oh, sorry, mate. For YouTube. Dun, 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 dun,
Hello everybody, this is Nash here with another Airsoft action video. This time I'm rocking my MP9 and my HICAPA, and let's just start off with a little bit of a fight in the King of the Hill game at Fife Wargames. I'm on the southern side of the building. We're fighting over red team versus blue team. I'm playing on blue team. No, red team. And I'm just trying to kill a couple of guys down here on the southern side.
Way too high. Kept sailing over his head.
And as I'm saying, it's really, really difficult to hit them because the hop in my pistol is set really, really high. So all the BBs are sailing over their heads.
Can you tell them to go out of line of sight when they're respawning? Can you tell them to go out of line of sight when they're respawning?
Oh, walking in front of you.
Well, they're respawning in line of sight, which they weren't previously allowed to do.
The reason we don't want people spawning in line of sight in this condition is it makes the opposing team's job to push up really, really difficult if people are respawning back in. They could just shoot straight back at you.
I'm trying to reload without popping my head up. Hang on.
Yeah, he's right there.
I hear him. Shit.
And I very, very nearly get hit on the left there, but my teammate finally kills that guy, which is great.
He's not hit yet. No, I hit him. Yeah.
Still having problems with the hop there, obviously. It's too difficult to reset the hop on the fly, so I just try and manage with it.
I'm empty. I don't have anything left. Nothing left. I need to reload the speed loader. That is the glory of having gas weapons.
In this clip, we are playing a different game, just on a different part of Fife Wargames.
I know where he is, I remember.
I have the MP9 working properly.
You get the left piece of wood? Fucking hell.
If you're wondering why my accuracy is absolutely atrocious at the moment, it's because the microdot I had running on the MP9 pretty much ran out of battery just as I started playing that day. So, I seem to get quite a few kills, but unfortunately it does take quite a lot of shots to actually place hits on people. And as a consequence, I burn through ammo quite quickly, but, yeah, we still manage with it.
medic.
You can hear each time someone's called back in. The opposing team are on medic rules, so I've got to be cautious of people getting medic back in. Got this guy on here on the right who is causing me problems, and I can see his head through the bars, but I can't quite get shots in, which makes it quite difficult to do without the sight. I decided to take a gamble here and actually push right on the right so I can get a good shot on him. Last hit in the room. I'm a little bit cautious here because a lot of people say that everybody's dead in the room, but then somebody's hiding.
Sorry. Don't move suddenly. I've got one. There's still one left.
And here's me back on the south side of the King of the Hill game, and
Well,
you're
he's
about to
closer
see
up.
why you didn't make sure
And closer to the wall,
your
closer to
magazine
the
is
wall.
wound every time you pop out to shoot.
I wasn't firing. Take care of it.
With the south clear, I can move into the main building. Unfortunately, though, I don't seem to push very far.
Hit! I'm hit!
So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you again for watching my Airsoft action. If you want to
Dress yourself
see
properly.
more, I will be posting more later on this week, and I'll be continuing on with the High Five series as well, so keep an eye out for that. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.